Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing simple block letters and a viewpoint so perspective rules are set. Draw the flat name in light pencil, spacing letters evenly. This becomes your base shape. Once done, identify the vanishing point, S, and draw faint construction lines from each letter edge toward them so depth will align. Make sure to keep strokes light. That lets you adjust proportions before committing to darker outlines and prevents perspective errors later. Next, you give the letters volume by extruding their outlines along the construction lines you made. For consistency, pick a depth relative to letter size and apply it to every letter. This keeps the name cohesive. Once extruded, connect matching corner points and decide which faces are visible from your viewpoint, then erase internal or hidden edges. Make sure to refine outlines and smooth joins where shapes meet so the 3D illusion reads clearly. To finish, pick a single light source and shade faces accordingly, using 2 to 3 tonal steps, mid-tone, darker core, and soft shadow. You should add highlights to the nearest edges and a cast shadow beneath the name to anchor it. Once done, step back and check proportions. If a letter looks off, slightly tweak its extrude lines or erase and redraw that section. Troubleshooting tip: if perspective seems wrong, recheck vanishing points and align corner connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.